guys, Christian Richards, Claim Buyout. Here today, I'm going to show you a new tool with my colleague, Nick Saltzmanakis. It's a new tool that we call HAILO that we use for hail damaged vehicles. Without further ado, Nick, go ahead and show us what to...
Thanks, Christian. Let's get right into the demo of the application, show you how easy it is to use, and let's see what we get. So here's where we have our HAILO leads at. All you have to do is click Add New Lead, and it'll take you to this page right here where you have to enter 4 pieces of information. We have the VIN number, the mileage, zip code, and the total estimate amount. You can either enter the VIN number manually, you can copy and paste it, or you can scan it. That's the method that we're going to use here. We're just going to go ahead and hit the scan button. It brings up the camera app, and we're just going to go ahead and scan the VIN. So we'll do that right now. Okay, so we got that VIN number scanned in. Now we're just going to go ahead and enter the other fields and see what we come up with. We got the mileage, we got the zip, and we have the estimate amount, which we're going to put in at $10,000 for this example. And here we go. All right, so just click that in there, and here's what we come up with. You see our range offer from $54,100 to $60,900. And if your customer would like to entertain that offer, go ahead and verbally approve it for customer, and it comes straight to us, and we have an offer to them in about an hour. So real easy to use. Great thing is, once you're done with this, your file is closed, folks. We'll take care of the rest. You'll have a happy customer, and you can move on to the next thing.
So as you can see, guys, it's 4 easy steps. You get a real-time claim buyout offer to your insured.
And the benefits to you are time savings. Once you're done with this and you send the offer, we take over, your file is closed. Less file touches for you means more time to do other things. No worries about supplements. It's not going to a shop. We buy the car and it's over for you. And at the end of the day, you're going to have extremely happy customers, and the retention rates will go way up. Thank you.